Welcome to speedearning.com. We are discussing about future daily routine. If you are trading in futures, so what should be your daily routine? So if you are trading in futures, then first of all, you will see the global cues in moneycontrol.com or Z Business or CNBC TV 18, CNBC Awas, and you will see that US market and Asian markets are whether those are in red or green. So suppose market is opening gap up, so you are not going to buy anything in hassle. If my market is opening gap down, so you are not going to sell something. You just be careful because you are trading in a big volume, huge volume. And first of all, you will see from 9:15 to 9:20, 9:30, you just go to nsindia.com, live market, live watch, and then index, and see sectors there. So sectors, and one more thing, what you can notice, that is large cap, mid cap, and small cap movement. If there is big buying in or big selling in this mid cap or small cap segment, then we can focus on the futures of mid cap or small cap. Then focus on the sectors. So just see top two sectors which are strong and bottom two sectors which are weakest, and just go and see some scripts which are showing the LTP near the high in case of buying, and showing the LTP near low in case of selling. Then we shall go to Google search and write it down, why increase price rise, and you will find the link of profit.ndtv.in, moneycontrol.com or motilaloswal.com. Just see there that which futures are showing big open interest change, and they are in positive trend or negative trend. So if they are showing positive trend, and if they are near the high, then there is a possibility to move ahead, move further. So we shall make a position there. We shall keep our stop loss buying on the strong sector, strong stock, and we shall place our stop loss selling order in the weak stock of weakest sector. And we are just waiting from 9:30 to 11:30. If some trade is getting activated, then we are booking our profit in just half to 1% only. And if you want to be safe, you can do one thing. Suppose one trade got activated, so if it is buying, then you can buy the option of the same script. Option means put. If future buying is there, then we can buy the put of that script. If future is short sold there, then we can buy the call of that script. So that will give you a hedging also. And what else you will do in the morning section? You will do Nifty and Bank Nifty, buy at high, days high, and sell at days low, and place the buying at days high and sell at days low in Bank Nifty as well. So suppose if there is a movement, if range is broken in that duration and then time period, means from 9:30 to 11:30. So if high is broken, then there is a chance of 8 to 10 point movement in Nifty, and chance of 10 to 15 point, 10 to 20 point movement in Bank Nifty. So you can book such a profit regularly in Nifty, Bank Nifty futures, index futures means. And in daytime from 1:30 to 3, you will go to the index means sectors again, and you will see the strong sector, weak sector. You will find the strong script and weak script, and you are placing your stop loss buying and stop loss selling, whatever we discussed in our classes and in our videos previously. And if trade is getting activated, you just book your profit. The main focus should be exit, because you can't wait here. And we don't suggest you to go positional in the future, because you can see a very volatile market nowadays. So if you are waiting, there is a possibility that one script was 7%, 5% plus last day, and 3% minus on today. So 2 to 3% minus means 30 to 50,000 minus in future. So that we should not go for it, because if you can go for 5,000 losses, 5,000 stop loss 4 or 5 times, then why should we go for 50,000 loss in a single shot? So there should be a possibility to trade in different futures, switch to any right script and just recover your losses in the same day only. Then from 3 to 3:30 you will focus on the stocks which are closing very strong near the high, and the stocks which are closing very weak near the low, and those stocks, those scripts can be used for BTST, buy today sell tomorrow. You are buying at 329 and selling at 916. In the same way, you are selling at 329 and buying at 916 on the next day. But I suggest you to go with the hedging. And what is the hedging? We have explained you already. Suppose you bought some future, then buy the put as well. And if you sold some future, buy the call as well, because it will give you a minimum 50 to 60% insurance. Means if there is some overnight reversal, so your loss will be reduced to half or less than that. So that will give you a good safety. And suppose it is going in your direction only, what you have assumed, then you are having a good margin. Suppose you are getting the 15,000 or 12,000 in future and losing 5-6,000 in option. So 6,000 is your net margin. So that is a good approach. So you are going for BTST or STBT, because in equity cash it was not possible for you to sell something today and to buy on next morning. You were able to do BTST, buy today sell tomorrow, but STBT is not possible in equity cash. Here we are open for both the directions. You can go for BTST as well as you are go for STBT, and your brokerage charges are very less in comparison to delivery brokerage of equity cash. So that is a very good method to follow, but we suggest you a systematic approach. We don't suggest you to go for stock futures on the first step. You just start with equity cash, then you should go for bigger volumes, then you should go for index futures, index options, then stock options, and finally stock futures. So in this process you will learn how the markets are behaving in different market moods, and then you can handle the futures, that huge volume, carefully. So that should be your systematic way. If you are having any confusion, you can call us, and we are having the regular classes over the phone in our paid training programs, and we are not focusing on advisory or tips nowadays, because training is must. Without training no one can have the solution. So our observation is telling us that we should go with the training only. So we suggest you to gain the knowledge as soon as possible and as deep as possible, so that you can be successful in this beautiful, this wonderful career. Thank you very much. Bye.